Determining the riskiness of an investment involves considering several different factors that I want to dive into today. So here are some key steps to help you evaluate the risk before you invest. Number one, you've got to analyze the investment thoroughly. Understand the asset class, understand the industry, the market conditions, and company fundamentals. You've got to consider factors like historical performance and financial stability and growth prospects and competition. Secondly, you're going to go in and assess the volatility. Make sure you look at the historical price movements to gauge the investment's volatility. Higher volatility indicates greater potential risk, obviously. Third, you're going to consider the time horizon. Determine your investment time frame. Generally, longer-term investments tend to smooth out short-term fluctuations, and it reduces risk. Evaluate diversification. Assess how the investment fits into your overall portfolio. Diversifying across different asset classes and sectors can help mitigate risk. If one performs poorly, others might perform very well. Consider potential returns. Evaluate the potential returns against the associated risks. Higher returns often come with higher risks. Assess if the potential rewards justify the potential downsides. 6, you're going to analyze external factors. We just came out of a pandemic, folks, so it's very important to consider macroeconomic factors, geopolitical risks, legal and regulatory issues, as well as social trends that can impact the investment's performance. Seek professional advice. I say this in a lot of videos, guys. Make sure you're consulting with a financial advisor or a professional that can provide insight and expertise and help you analyze in order to tailor your goals to your financial specific situation. Remember, risk tolerance differs for every individual. It's crucial to carefully consider your own financial goals and personal circumstances and risk appetite before making any investment decisions. If you'd like a free one-on-one coaching session, we're still currently offering those. There's no strings attached, and I won't even try and sell you anything, my friend. So go ahead and step on over to freecoachingcalendar.com to pick your preferred date and time. It'll be with me personally, and we can spend even as much as an hour together on the phone to discuss exactly what your objectives are, what your current financial circumstances look like, and how you can build a roadmap to help you go further, faster financially. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave some comments below. If I've missed something, would certainly love to hear from you. Let me know exactly how you go ahead and determine whether or not an investment is the right decision for you. Look forward to reading those comments and seeing you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day today and keep on cash flowing.